Hi friends, welcome to my channel Way of Success. Today we are discussing about vitamins and vitamin deficiency diseases. Okay, let's start with the topic vitamin. Vitamins are organic substances that are generally classified as either fat soluble or water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamins are organic substances. There are two types, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, K. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Now we study in detail. First one, vitamin A. Vitamin A, other name retinol. Vitamin A, retinol. Its deficiency leads to night blindness, xerophthalmia, keratomalacia, stunted growth. Vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness, xerophthalmia, keratomalacia, and stunted growth. Xerophthalmia means dryness of the eye. Bitoid spot. Bitoid spot. These are buildup of keratin located superficially in the conjunctiva of human eyes. Bitoid spot is commonly seen in vitamin A deficiency. These are buildup of keratin. Keratin buildup in our conjunctiva. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D is otherwise called calciferol. Vitamin D, calciferol. Vitamin D is also called a sunshine vitamin because when our body come in contact with sunlight, vitamin D is produced in our body. That's why it is called a sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D, there are two major types, vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol. These are plant origin, means these vitamins synthesized by plant when they are exposing to sunlight. This type is not present in human body. Vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol, these are produced in our body when we are exposing to sunlight. This is the common and natural form of vitamin D present in our body. Next, vitamin E or tocopherol. Vitamin E or tocopherol. Vitamin E deficiency leads to ataxia and visual disturbance. Vitamin E or tocopherol, its deficiency leads to ataxia and visual disturbance. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Next, vitamin K or phylloquinone. Vitamin K or phylloquinone. Vitamin K is otherwise called clotting vitamin. Vitamin K is known as clotting vitamin. Vitamin K deficiency leads to slow blood clotting and hemorrhages in newborn. Vitamin K, phylloquinone, it is called clotting vitamin because it helps in clotting process. These are fat soluble vitamins. Next, water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. First one is vitamin B1 or thiamine. Its deficiency leads to beriberi. Thiamine deficiency leads to beriberi. In beriberi, it affects the cardiovascular system. It is called wet beriberi and it leads to fast heart rate, shortness of breath, etc. In beriberi affects the nervous system. It is called dry beriberi. In dry beriberi, the patient shows numbness, difficulty in walking, confusion, etc. Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff syndrome are the forms of dry beriberi. Vitamin B1 thiamine deficiency leads to beriberi. Next one is vitamin B2 or riboflavin. Vitamin B2 or riboflavin, its deficiency leads to angular stomatitis and dermatitis. Vitamin B2 is otherwise called riboflavin. Its deficiency leads to angular stomatitis and dermatitis. Next one is vitamin B3 or niacin. Vitamin B3 is also called niacin. Its deficiency leads to pellagra. Vitamin B3 or niacin deficiency leads to pellagra. 3 Ds are seen in pellagra. It is important. There are 3 Ds in pellagra. These are dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia. Dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia are the 3 Ds seen in pellagra. Pellagra is the niacin deficiency disorder. Next one is vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 is called pantothenic acid. Its deficiency leads to fatigue, insomnia, burning feet, etc. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid deficiency leads to fatigue, insomnia and burning feet. It is very rarely occur. Vitamin B5 deficiency. Next is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. Pyridoxine, its deficiency leads to anemia and peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, its deficiency leads to anemia and peripheral neuropathy. Next is vitamin B7 or biotin. Vitamin B7 or biotin. Its deficiency leads to loss of hair, scaly red rashes in the face and genital area. Vitamin B7 is called biotin. Its deficiency leads to loss of hair and scaly red rashes in the face and genital area. Next is vitamin B9. It is called folate. Folate or folic acid. Vitamin B9 is folic acid. Its deficiency leads to anemia and increased incidence of neural tube defects like spina bifida, anencephaly, etc. Vitamin B9, folate or folic acid. Its deficiency leads to anemia and increased incidence of neural tube defect. Next is vitamin B12 or cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is otherwise called cobalamin. Its deficiency leads to pernicious anemia. Vitamin B12 deficiency leads to pernicious anemia because in the absence of intrinsic factor there is vitamin B12 is not properly absorbed in small intestine. The deficiency of vitamin B12 causes reduced red blood cell production and anemia. Next, vitamin C. Vitamin C is otherwise called ascorbic acid. Its deficiency leads to scurvy. In vitamin C deficiency, there is slow wound healing and anemia are seen in vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits and vegetables. These are about vitamins. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you all for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Way of Success and share this video with your friends. Thank you.